Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing one of the hottest topics in the world of finance and technology, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an unknown person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since its creation, it has become one of the most valuable assets in the world, with a market capitalization of over $1 trillion. So what is Bitcoin, and how does it work? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates independently of any central authority. It uses a technology called blockchain, which is essentially a public ledger that records all transactions made with Bitcoin. One of the main benefits of Bitcoin is that it allows for fast and inexpensive peer-to-peer transactions, without the need for intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions. This means that people can send and receive payments anywhere in the world, at any time, without having to worry about exchange rates or transaction fees. Another key feature of Bitcoin is that it has a limited supply, with only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be created. This means that it is a deflationary currency, with its value likely to increase over time as demand grows. However, Bitcoin is not without its risks. Its price can be highly volatile, with sudden and dramatic price swings occurring frequently. Additionally, it has been used for illegal activities in the past, and its unregulated nature means that there is no protection for investors if something goes wrong. Despite these risks, Bitcoin continues to attract the attention of investors, entrepreneurs, and everyday people alike. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio, or just someone curious about this exciting new technology, Bitcoin is definitely something worth learning more about. So, that's all for this video on Bitcoin. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching. While Bitcoin is the most well-known cryptocurrency, there are actually thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, each with their own unique features and use cases. Some of the most popular alternatives to Bitcoin include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. One of the reasons why cryptocurrencies have become so popular is that they offer a level of privacy and anonymity that is not possible with traditional payment methods. This is because transactions on the blockchain are pseudonymous, meaning that they are linked to an address rather than a specific individual. However, this anonymity has also led to concerns about the use of cryptocurrencies for illegal activities, such as money laundering and terrorism financing. As a result, many governments around the world are currently exploring ways to regulate cryptocurrencies and ensure that they are not being used for illicit purposes. Despite these challenges, many people believe that cryptocurrencies have the potential to transform the way we think about money and finance. From decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, there are countless new use cases for cryptocurrencies that are still being explored. So whether you're a die-hard crypto enthusiast or just someone who's curious about this new and exciting technology, there's no doubt that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are here to stay. As always, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before investing in any cryptocurrency. But for those who are willing to take the plunge, the potential rewards can be significant.